Hello kids, Namaskar everyone. I hope you all are fine. So we have completed term 2 revision sheet. Our revision is also finished. Yesterday we did the revision of chapter number 2, 5 and 6. Right? In our live class, online class. So today in this video we are going to revise only short and long question answer of chapter number 8. Right? सिर्फ हम लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की रिवीजन करेंगे ये वीडियो में ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 8. राइट? सो एवरीवन रेडी? Before we start, what we will do? Yes, we will pray together. So join your hands. Close your eyes.
भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
So let's start our class. Everyone take out your notebook. I hope you have kept it. Short question answer number first. Explain upstroke and downstroke. See, in this question हमें explain करना है upstroke के बारे में and downstroke के बारे में. So, the upward movement of wings is called upstroke and the downward movement of wings is called downstroke. Is it easy? जो upward movement of wings होंगे उसको हम upstroke कहेंगे and जो downward movements के wings होंगे उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Downstroke. Second one, what helps a bird to fly? Birds को कौन help करता है to fly? Yes, because they have a shape and structure of the birds that enables to fly. उनकी जो shape है, उनका जो structure बना है, उस हिसाब से वो लोग fly कर सकते हैं. Right? For example, their streamlined body, their hollow bones, their wings. So, how we will learn this answer? The shape and structure of a bird's body enables it to fly. For example, streamlined body, hollow and light bones and wings. Third one, describe flightless bird. So here, we have to give the definition of flightless bird. So the birds that cannot fly, they are called flightless bird. Right? So how we will write this answer? The birds that cannot fly are called flightless bird. For example, ostrich. You can also write penguin. Next. Number 4th, which type of beak is most suitable for making holes in a tree trunk? So, कौन सी types of beak suitable हैं for making holes? Strong and pointed beak. Right? अगर कोई ऐसा bird है जो ट्री में holes बनाता है, so अगर उनके पास strong and pointed beak होगी, so that they can make the hole easily, and from that they can take the insect from the tree trunk. इसका एग्जाम्पल कौन सा है बर्ड का? वुडपैकर. राइट, वुडपैकर ऐसे बर्ड्स है जिसके पास स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड पॉइंटेड बिग भी होती है. अंडरस्टूड 1 to 4th? Fifth one, which type of toes do perching birds have? So perching birds के पास कैसे toes होते हैं? They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back, so that they can perch on trees. They can sit on the branches of the trees, wires. Right? हमने देखा भी है. So which type of toes they should have? Perching birds have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Next question, what type of feet do wedding birds have? Now wedding birds के पास कैसे feet होते हैं? The toes of wedding birds are widespread and that help them to balance in the soft mud. Right, wedding birds के पास कैसे feet होते हैं? Spread. Yes, जो उनको help करते हैं to balance in the soft mud. Seventh one, what are the materials used by a bird to build its nest? कौन सा material use होता है for building their nest? So grass, leaves, fur, threads, twigs, these are the materials which are used by birds to build nest. Understood this short question answers everyone? Now come to long question answer. See, if कोई भी आपका short question answers या long question answers मिस हो गए हैं तो आप ये नोटबुक में लिख सकते हैं. Long question answer. First one, explain the 3 types of feathers. Now in this question we have to explain all the 3 types of feathers. So how we will start the answer? The 3 types of feathers are, कौन से 3 types के feathers होते हैं? Down feather, body feather and flight feather. Right? These are the 3 types of feathers. But now this is long question answer and we have to explain it. So we will explain one by one. Down feather. So down feather क्या करते हैं? These are fluffy feathers located close to the bird skin. Yes, ये fluffy feathers है which are located to the bird skin, एकदम close होते हैं. And these feathers are very soft and short. They help to keep the body warm. Birds की body को warm रखते हैं ये feathers. Right? So what you will remember in this down feather? That birds, these types of feathers are located to the bird skin. They are soft and short and they help to keep the body warm. Next is about body feather. So body feather कहाँ पे present है? They are present over the down feather and they cover the whole body and also they give shapes to the bird body. Right? Body feather क्या करते हैं? They give shape to the bird's body and covers the whole body of the bird. Next is about flight feather. So flight feather क्या करते हैं? These feathers are mostly present on the wings and tails. कहाँ पे present होते हैं? They are present on the wings and tails and they help the bird to fly and to change the directions. Right? So this is about the three types of feathers that we have learned in the chapter, but in this answer we have to explain each and every types of feathers. Understood this answer? Let's come to second one. What are talons? What are they used for? Talons क्या हैं and वो किस used में होते हैं? So what are talons? The sharp hook claws of flesh-eating birds are called talons. जो sharp hook claws होते हैं flesh-eating birds के, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Talons. And what are they used for? They are used to pick up small animals such as toads and mice. Right. So what are talons? The sharp hook claws of flesh-eating birds are called talons, and they are used to pick up small animals such as toads and mice. Third one, why do birds build nest? Birds nest क्यों बनाते हैं? Why do birds build nest? So birds build nest to lay eggs and to raise their young ones. Birds nest क्यों बनाते हैं? To lay their eggs and to raise their young ones. Right? Understood this answer? Number 4th, describe the nest of sparrow, weaver bird and tailor bird. Now here we have to describe all the nest of, right? हमें nest बताने हैं sparrow के, weaver bird and tailor bird. So first bird is sparrow. Sparrow के कैसे nest होते हैं? Sparrow में cup shape nest. राइट स्पैरो के कैसे नेस्ट होते हैं? कप शेप नेस्ट. देन अबाउट वीवर बर्ड्स. वीवर बर्ड्स के नेस्ट कैसे होते हैं? लॉन्ग इन शेप, राइट, एंड दे बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट बाय वीविंग लीव्स टुगेदर. Yes, they are long in shape with a small opening at the bottom. Right, weaver bird के nest को कैसे होते हैं? They build their nest by weaving leaves, grass and twigs together. And they are long in shape and with a small opening at the bottom. Then about tailor birds. Tailor bird use its beak like a needle to sieve leaves together to make it nest. Tailor birds have strong and needle-like beak, right? So that's why they use their needle-like beak to sieve the leaves together and to make it nest. They stitches broad leaves together. वो क्या करते हैं? broad leaves जो होती है, बड़ी बड़ी leaves, उसको वो stitch करते हैं. And then using straw, plant fiber and thread. Yes, and then वो comfortable cotton या फिर grass डालते हैं and they stay there. Right, so tailor bird use its beak like a needle to sieve leaves together to make it nest. It switches broad leaves together using straw, plant fiber and threads. So here we have completed the discussion of short and long question answer of chapter number 8. I hope now it is easy to you all to learn the answer. Okay? So your today's homework is to draw the diagram of beak and feet. Right? Any one. कोई भी one feet and claws का diagram बनाओगे and any one beak. Understood? So bye kids. Namaskar.